viewers from everywhere you're watching me today. We'll be talking on suspense accounts. This is just an extension of the topics that we have already put in this channel before. That's trial balance and correction of errors. Kindly watch those videos on trial balance and on correction of errors 1 and 2. But part of the reviews I got on correction of errors is that someone actually requested to do suspense accounts separately, and that is why I'm doing it today. Kindly take note. So for reference purpose, accounting 101, debt clip acronym, double entry system, they all lead us to trial balance. And trial balance, we did correction of errors. So they are in sequence. So I'll just put the final nail on it today by doing the suspense account. So I'll just state like 2 or 3 transactions. I'll open the ledger, I will extract a trial balance from it, but I'll deliberately make a mistake in one of the ledger balances such that trial balance will reveal that error and will correct it with the suspense account. That is what I will do, so that you will understand and catch up on the other parts of double entry and trial balance that I've recorded in the other videos. So a firm sold goods of $500 to a Teal Enterprise. $500. This transaction, normally sales should be credited by 500, a Teal should be debited by 500. That is the normal thing. So let's open the normal things. A Teal account, then sales account. Sales should be credited, a Teal, and a Teal should be debited. Sales. This is okay. The second transaction, a Teal returned goods of $70 to the firm. So that means there will be sales returns and a Teal. But since we already opened a Teal, we won't open another a Teal. We just post the correct entry. So there will be sales returns and a Teal. Sales returns, goods are despoiled or rejected goods are coming back in, and when we receive in the transaction, the receiving side is debited. So sales returns is debited. A Teal returned the goods. A Teal in this case is the one giving out the rejected goods. So a Teal is credited. Sales returns. So let's do one more transaction before we extract the trial balance. The firm purchased items of $70 from AB Enterprise. That's purchases, and AB Enterprise will be open. Purchases and AB Enterprise. Purchases, goods are coming into the firm, so purchases will be debited. AB Enterprise is the one given to the firm. So AB Enterprise is giving, purchases is receiving. So purchases is debited, AB Enterprise is credited. So the details will be purchases, AB Enterprise will be purchased here. I would like to just, against what I said, I will put one more example. Paid wages in cash, 70, okay, don't let me use 70. Paid wages in cash, $17. Paid wages in cash, so that will be wages and cash book. Wages account and cash account. Paid wages in cash. Okay, paid wages by check. Let's use check. Paid wages by check. We can use cash as well. And because I've not used many transactions, cash will show a credit balance. But in reality, there can't be cash overdraft in reality. So let's change transaction to paid wages by check, $17. So cash account will be bank column. Under the bank column, money is going out, so to be credited. Then wages, employees receive the wages. Now, if you look at it, there are 8 entries because we have 4 transactions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Any transaction will have 2 entries. That is double entry system. Please, you will watch double entry system in the video in this channel to get better understanding. Now we want to extract a trial balance from this list of transactions. But I said earlier, I'm going to deliberately make a mistake in one of the transactions. What I've done here will not reveal trial balance. Like, okay, let me prove that this is correct. Let's extract the trial balance from this. This is 500. When there are 2 entries in an account, you look for the difference. The difference is balance carried down. Then you bring it down. The side that you have balance brought down is the side you will record in trial balance. So this is 500, this is 70, the difference is 430. That is balance carried down. So that these two will be 500. And your balance brought down will be in the reverse side of balance carried down. Balance brought down 430. This is single entry, this is single entry, this is single entry, this is single entry, and this is single entry. So we can open the trial balance now. Details, debit, credit. Ethyl has debit entry 430. Sales has 500 in the credit side. Sales returns has 70 in the debit side. Purchases has 70 in the debit side. Wages has 70 in the debit side. AB Enterprise has 70 in the credit side. Bank has 17 in the credit side. That's bank overdraft. When the bank balance is in the credit side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7 because we have to look for balance of this. Now, please add up this left hand side and let's see what is there. Please add up this other side. Let's see what is there.
Right side 687.
687. Okay, the left side.
Left side is 587.
587.
The other one is 587.
Please let me redo this side. Let me redo this side.
What's the name of 587?
587. It's okay. 587. 587. If I had left this as 687, that's error of overcast. That is one of the errors that would appear, that will be revealed by trial balance. If I had gone ahead to, because I was in a hurry, I had recorded 687, then that is overcast of this side. It will reveal a suspense need of 100. But anyway, thankfully, we were able to figure it out. It's 587, it's 587. Now, this shows that the ledger balances extracted were correct. This left side is equal to the right hand side. Anyway, you can also check the correction of errors again.